Here is a quick step-by-step on how to connect your iPhone to your Mercedes-Benz. In this video, we will show you how to connect to Apple CarPlay, pair with Bluetooth to your onboard infotainment system, as well as how to integrate text messaging. First, let's set up Apple CarPlay. Make sure your car is on, in a safe location, and in park. Then connect your phone with either a USB-C cord like this, or a normal USB-A with an adapter like this. If you don't have one of these cords, reach out to your authorized local Mercedes-Benz dealer. Once connected, follow the prompts on the center display and on your phone, then Apple CarPlay should be activated. Now, if you want to get back to the MBUX interface, just select the Mercedes-Benz icon. To return to Apple CarPlay, just select the Apple CarPlay icon. Next, let's learn how to pair your iPhone to your infotainment system using Bluetooth. Note, for this, you will not need a cord at all. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on under Settings. Then, select the connected phone icon under the main phone icon on your home screen. Next, select Connect New Device. Your phone's name will appear, and select it to connect. A pairing request will pop up on your phone. To proceed, click Pair. And now, you are connected. You can now allow your phone to share contacts, music, and other features. Next time you get in your car, your phone should automatically pair as long as your Bluetooth is turned on. Lastly, if you want to dictate and receive text messages through the MBUX system using Bluetooth, here are a few more steps to get that set up. Under Settings on your phone, select the Bluetooth menu. Then, click the small eye icon next to the vehicle's MBUX Bluetooth signal. Next, you can turn the Show Notifications on. Then, you'll need to reset the MBUX system by holding down the power button on the center console for 2 seconds. Then select System Off on the center display. To finish the process, press the power button one more time and allow Bluetooth to reconnect. After Bluetooth pairs, you should be able to send and receive text messages through your car's MBUX interface. So there you have it. Your phone is now connected, paired, and most importantly, part of your Mercedes-Benz experience.